In order to remove the Foley catheter, I need clean gloves and a syringe. Now, depending on the size of the balloon, because catheters come in different sizes, it'll depend on how many mLs the balloon will hold. In this case here, I have a, let me turn this over, a 14 French catheter with, it says 5 ml/cc balloon. And I'm not exactly sure why it's labeled 5 mLs, because 5 ml balloons are always inflated with 10 mLs of water. This is a standard size, so I know that I have to remove 10 mLs from this balloon. So I use my syringe. And just like I did with the insertion, I will attach the syringe to the port, and I can just attach it and it'll automatically deflate the balloon. Now the balloon needs to be completely empty before I do this, because otherwise, if the balloon is still inflated, I might cause some damage to the urethra or the bladder neck at the insertion of the urethra if I deflate, or if I remove the catheter without the balloon being fully deflated. And the other thing is, because just like on the insertion, the tube, the catheter itself, can be pretty flimsy. So what I recommend is having a washcloth or a towel handy, and you can just remove the catheter and then kind of wrap it in this washcloth or towel. But first I want to make sure that my balloon is all the way deflated, so I'm all the way at 10 mLs now. And so if I just pull back on the plunger, I ensure that the rest of the fluid, or all of the fluid, is out. Now I'm going to tell my patient, take a nice deep breath in, and then as they inhale, it's a nice distraction, I just gently pull out that catheter. And it's always a little bit more difficult on the models to do that on the actual patient. And if I pull that catheter, I can actually wrap it around my hand over here, and then it'll slide right out and it won't fling urine everywhere. Now this end of the catheter here, I could wrap it in my glove, and then depending on your policy of the facility that you're at, it either goes into the biohazard or the regular trash, but make sure that you empty the catheter collection bag first. Once the catheter has been removed, take off your dirty gloves, don a set of new gloves, take care of your patient, keep them covered, make sure that they are comfortable, take off your gloves, and perform your hand hygiene. Thanks for watching this video on Nursing School Explained about the removal of an indwelling catheter. Please also watch the other videos that go over the insertion of indwelling catheters for both male and female patients. Thanks for watching Nursing School Explained. See you soon.